Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to use turn signals in 2 minutes. This will be a simple and basic driving lesson on using your turn signals properly, and I'm going to try and keep it to about 2 minutes, as close to 2 minutes as possible. Alright, let's get right into it. If you look at your steering wheel and you look to the left of the steering wheel, you're going to see a lever. Now this is your turn signal lever. As you can see right here, you can do various things with this lever, but the main way to use the turn signals is to push it up or down. Now you got to think about the way that you turn the wheel for each direction in order to figure this out. If you want to turn right, you're going to take the wheel and you're going to go like this. From your turn signal point to turn right, you would go like this, clockwise. So if you want to activate your right turn signal, you're going to just take your hand and push the turn signal in the same direction. Just like that. As you can see, the right turn signal has activated, and in this car there's actually a right turn signal blind spot camera that's very convenient, and like a mirror camera that's convenient. Now to actually deactivate the turn signal, it might happen automatically when you make a turn, but if it doesn't, you can do it manually by just pushing it back to the centered position. Now similarly, if you want to activate your left turn signal, if you wanted to turn left, you would be going like this. From the turn signal spot, you would be going like that. So you're going downwards, right? Just very simple, counterclockwise. So to activate your left turn signal, what you're going to do is you're going to take your fingers, put them on the top of the lever, and push it down. As you can see and hear, the turn signal is now on. You can see the lights on the dashboard will be flickering like that. And to cancel it, it'll either cancel by itself or you push it back to center. As a bonus tip, if you notice that your turn signal light and is flashing faster, and you hear it flashing faster, like at twice the speed, it'll sound like really fast. That is an indication that one of your turn signal bulbs is burnt out. So check around your car and figure out which one's burnt out. And that's it. That's how to use your turn signals in 2 minutes. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.